Hello Neves fam, this is Neve from Neves Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, actually I'm doing a get ready with me video, and this is a real get with me video. I am going to my bestie's birthday party. It's not exactly a party, just the besties getting together, going for coffee and the dinner. So that's what we are going to do, nothing much. So how I got into this, let's get started. So I'm going to start by priming my face using the Lorac Light Source Illuminating Primer. So just dotting all over my face. So next comes the foundation using Makeup Forever foundation stick, and just putting some lines and blending, normal gel, and blend. So this is how I take some foundation right from the stick to the beauty sponge, in case I want to apply a little bit more, like corner of the nose or anywhere I feel there is a less foundation, and then blend it. Instead of applying the lines, I feel it's a lot more foundation. And my favorite Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color medium, and then applying under my eyes and on the eyelid as an eyeshadow base. Just the normal stuff. I'm still looking, to buy the Makeup Revolution, and also thinking of buying NARS concealer. Let's see when I buy. So then next comes the Body Shop pressed powder, and applying on the lid just to set the concealer basically, and under my eyes. Nothing much, and as you know by now that I don't apply powders a lot or all over my eyes. This time I think I was talking to my husband or to my bestie. So I'm going to use this Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. I'm going to use this color as my transition color, and like you see, I apply my transition color above my crease so that you can see the color, as I have hooded droopy eyes. So I make sure I put it above so that you can see some color. So I'm going to put this color, and it was like a almost little glittery color on my main lid, and like you see, I'm using my fingers. I was not wearing the brush. I didn't want too much pigment. Here comes my favorite blush from Laura Geller. This is a baked blush and brighten one, and yeah, applying as usual. So now I'm applying the brow pencil, which I recently got in my BoxyCharm beauty subscription box. So now I'm using my Ofra highlighter, and you know how much I like it, applying usual places on the nose, on the cheeks, high point of cheeks, and yeah. So yeah, under my brows, and I'm also going to apply on my lips, and just spraying the MAC Prep and Prime and pressing it so that if you have anything extra foundation or powders, in case you have it, everything settles. And now just blending the lid color, because like I said, I have droopy eyes, so it just touches a little bit above, so just blend it. And now I'm going to apply this Kat Von D tattoo liner, which I really like. And using this color, I am going to apply on my lower lash line and I just wanted to do voiceover because it takes a lot of time when you're really getting ready for a event or a party. Now I'm going to apply the Startist mascara, and I really like this mascara. So yeah, I mean, voiceover is better because if you're talking and explaining, it takes a lot of time when you're really going for a party. So now I'm going to apply this BH Cosmetics lip liner, and I am going out of focus. Sorry about that, didn't realize. Anyways, now I'll be applying MAC lipstick, and the color is D for Danger. And guys, if you want your lipstick to stay like throughout the night or throughout your party, please apply a lip liner and it will definitely stay, so you will have some color on your lips. And I'm going to finish my makeup using this Urban Decay All Nighter because I want my makeup to stay all night, and it did stay. Believe me, it did stay. So this is the earring I'm wearing, and I'm going to do a haul soon as I get all my pieces. I made an order online, so all the price and everything will be in that video. So, and also this bracelet, like I said, I'm just waiting for the whole order to come in. So sorry I couldn't show you my hair straightening part. Basically, if you see, I don't do like a pin straight like straightening. I just do the flip ends kind of a thing. Nothing actually much exciting, but today I thought I would do little curls, but I sat and started recording for you guys. I had some time, but I didn't get time to curl it or like do a little straightening before you guys. But if you want me to do how I do this, please comment below and let me know. I'll be happy to do it. But trust me guys, I don't do much to my hair. I'm very bad with my hair, though I want to try, like, because I have short hair, so I want to see how it looks on how the curls look on short hair. I'm gonna do it. I will try, and if it comes out, I will definitely do a video for you. But if you still want to see how I do this, please comment below and I will do it for you. So guys, this is the whole look. I'm wearing this top, which is almost like a shirt, and this is the black jeggings I'm wearing. So this is the whole look. And now I'm showing you my shoes. This is the shoes I'm wearing, and I really like this shoe. And this is a little closer look of the shoe, and it has block heel and open from behind and little design in front. I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment below and let me know. And please subscribe guys, it really means a lot to me. And all my social media links are down below, so please follow me there, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.